So today I would like to talk about initiatives in Linear. So what are these initiatives? Well, basically initiatives are something big, some customer request, for example, a product idea or enhancement to the current product that you are working on. How does Linear then handle those initiatives? Let's find out. So I'm here in Linear and now I'm currently viewing the issues which are assigned to design team. And if I go up to the workspace initiatives here and click here, there you can see that I have already 2 initiatives visible here. So one is a feature request for our financials, like real-time KPI dashboard for Chief Financial Officer to monitor KPIs almost real time. And another one is about integrating airline app users to our CRM of the company. And you can see here on the right hand side, you have a target when this is supposed to launch, like half one next year or the second half of 2026. And it seems that now there are no projects attached and you have no updates on these initiatives and no active project has been launched to implement those initiatives. So adding an initiative is easy just from this view. You click the plus sign here to create a new one, and then you can add a new initiative for your product. What could be added next? A new initiative could be something like integrate Slack into app developer channel. Something quite extraordinary that might not be relevant for this app, but basically you get the idea. You can specify the target date, and here if you are talking about initiatives, you will likely have something that it takes a long time, even though you can specify a certain date, for instance, for the initiative to launch, but most likely you could use a month, a quarter, or even the longer periods like half year and a year. So I would expect that Q2 2026 would be a nice initiative for this one. And just press create here in order to create this initiative. And of course you can add some more links here. You can add some extra documentation or link Confluence page or whatever documentation system you are using at your company, and then you can write initiatives updates. So if you are working on that initiative, someone who is following that at the higher level of the company might then be interested. Okay, how's my real-time dashboard doing? Maybe the CFO is very keen on knowing that information. Of course, you can write specific instructions, maybe some specific things that you want to accomplish with this initiative when it's done. Okay, and if you scroll down here, quite oddly, there are some space here, but you can add a project to this initiative. And let's say that this initiative real-time KPI dashboard for CFO actually needs a new project. So we can create a new project for that one, and we can say that we want to have dashboard development project. So you can create a new project from there and add some information. We have talked about them in earlier videos. Write a description, add some members, assign a project lead, and so forth. So I'm not going to go back there. I just want to create a new project for that. So now CFO is aware that dashboard development project is the one who is going to take care of that initiative, and he or she will get the real-time KPIs in no time. Yeah, that's basically how it goes. Let's check again our initiatives here, and we have this other initiative, integrate app users to CRM system. For that, I guess we need to have some platform team taking care of that so that we can create integration, implement certain API calls between this app and the CRM. So for that, I'm going to go to this airline app team, which is kind of created by default, and I will go to team settings and I will rename this team engineering and platform team. All right, I can then use another identifier for this team as well. Now that it has a new name, I can go back there. Now I have two teams, design and engineering and platform teams. Then I can take one of my initiatives here from this side. Okay, this is the configuration bar. So I'm going back to the app. And if I go back, I get back to these initiatives. I can then update this integrate app users to CRM initiative. It seems that I cannot assign this directly to a team, so I probably need to create another project for that. So I call it integration project. Again, you can fill in the necessary details, and then I press create project. So now this initiative and this integration project have been connected with each other. And now if I go to this engineering and platform team, they only have this linear tutorial tasks or issues here, which now have been cancelled. And this integrate app users to CRM now has this project, integration project. And if I go back to this workspace, I see all my projects for this airline app here. And if I go to this integration project, I can here assign this to engineering and platform team. And somehow it has this design team there by default, but now I can exclude design team from this. So I just do like this. So now I have only one team related to this integration project. And basically from there you can start adding issues to the project. And now if I go back to this team, engineering and platform, select projects under that, then you see that integration project has been assigned to this team. I can then add another initiative related to this project. So maybe this Slack integration is also something that we want to include in this project, so we can add this initiative to that as well. So now integration project will have its scope which are implementing these two initiatives. All right, that's pretty much it. You can start adding issues normally. Very nice thing to have on in Linear. In Jira, you could imagine that this is something like an initiative in Jira or an Epic level thing. So it's a bigger thing. It's a new feature coming from different sources, and hope you have something useful to create initiatives for. Many thanks for watching. Remember to just like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.